in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, giving you favorite drinks and recipe, and also cooking dish and healthy food. Anyway, we just make you a nice, lovely broccoli drink. It's just good for you guys and it's have a lot of benefit in it. So I decided to make a drink from it with some banana, ginger, lemon, and honey. Hopefully you just love it and leave your comments below. And thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Anyway, we're on day 2 of detoxing your body. Alright, so the next video gonna be going up is gonna be talking about detoxing your body. Alright, so guys, hopefully you would like this one, and remember, share and tell a friend, and a friend will know about Chef Ricardo. We are going on really well, and we are touching the uttermost part of the earth. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Well, today we want to make you a nice, lovely broccoli healthy drink. So basically, I have some broccoli right here, and I have some kale, which I'm gonna also use and to get some greenness from it. First of all, I'm gonna put one full handful of kale inside of the Ninja blender, just like that. Beautiful and really nice. And also a few of the broccoli. You know, the broccoli, we're just gonna do it the same way. Next thing, we're going to also put a few pieces of ginger in it, and also some apple. Nice and lovely. We're gonna put half of a red apple, green apple inside of it. The next thing we're going to do is simple. Remove the skin from the lime, and also we're gonna put a piece of a lime inside of it like this. Remove the skin. Next thing, we're gonna put some ripe banana, double ripe banana inside of it, just to bring up the flavor of it. We got some fresh mint straight inside of it also. Make sure it's squeezed on it. Then we're gonna put some honey for sweetness. Healthy drink, roughly about a tablespoon of honey, just to kill some of the sourness of every little thing and bring a lovely flavor. Then we're gonna add some water. It's a must. Half glass of water. Then get your Ninja blender cover and cover. We're gonna blend it for about 4 to 5 minutes. And this is from Chef Ricardo right here, and we're gonna give you a nice lovely recipe. Nice and lovely. So basically I just finished blending, but I want to strain it because sometimes I doesn't use the fiber. Sometimes I like to strain my drinks and then I drink it. Wow, that smells really nice. This is the broccoli with a lot of stuff inside of it. That's the fiber, but I'm just gonna be straining it, as you can see. You can drink it just as it because it's really smoothie and nice, but you know what I mean, sometimes I just doesn't drink the fiber. I just like to have it like this. I like to strain mine sometimes. Nice. So basically, as you can see, I finished straining this right now. As I said before, that's the fiber. You can have the fiber every other day, but for me, I doesn't have it every day. Sometimes I just say, you know what, I just get the juice. Then basically, as you can see, I have some ice which I'm already set on mine right here, just like that. And now I'm gonna just simply pour it in like this. Serve it with some ice. This is a broccoli drink. Really nice and really smoothie and really good. So hopefully you guys will like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments below. Very important for the team. As you can see, really fantastic, guys. Broccoli drink. Serve with some apple, ginger, lemon, and honey, and some kale. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I want to say a big thank you for all of you guys who support me and the team. We love you, and remember to visit my blog website, chefricardocooking.co.uk, and also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook and Google Plus page. Remember to get my new cookbook, which is gonna be coming out very soon, with all of these recipes which gonna be in it. So guys, I just want to say a big thank you so much, and thank you so much again and again from Chef Ricardo. Bye bye.